Beautiful parabola. Calculus. Okay, let's talk about the slope first. That's what we call differentiation. You know why? Because difference on y over difference on x, that's what we call the slope. So final result we call derivative. Okay, so which is the slope. You remember slope long time ago? Okay, m equals delta y over delta x. Okay, in this case we have a curve. So on this point right here we want to find out the slope. So looks like a positive. Look at this. Okay, so left hand side looks like a negative slope, right? So then no way to do on one point, so we're gonna expand this point to a little bit bigger. How about we find out the slope from this point to that point? Okay, so any point right here, okay, we start from here, that's why we can call this one x, right? So we move a little bit of, okay, x, that's what we call differential x or x differential. Okay, so delta x, we increase delta x, that's why this point is x plus delta x. Alright, what about y value? Y value right here is yx squared actually. So we can call this one x comma then x squared. Wow. So now we move a little bit. Okay, so this length up to that point is we call x plus delta x squared, right? Alright, so this coordinate is x plus delta x comma, so y is this, okay, x plus delta x squared. That's it. So this is y. So what about total y minus this one? Okay, so this length right here is x squared, right? What about total length? That's gonna be this one. That means so just the top portion of this one, which is we call delta y, which is y differential, is x plus delta x squared minus x squared, right? Finally, so we're gonna get the slope on this point, so which is we call derivative, which is dy over dx, which is limit. Okay, we make this delta x very small size, okay, so all the way to 0, then delta y over delta x. So we're gonna solve this one, so we just plug this one on the top and bottom. Okay, so limit, so actually just like this, so this is what we call derivative, limit, so delta x going to be 0, then we're gonna solve this one. Alright, just like this, then x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus that one right there, so x squared, then delta x. Now we can solve this one. Okay, x squared minus x squared is going to be gone. Now these two terms have delta x. So this delta x is going to be gone. Now this delta x squared going to be gone. Okay, so we can reduce by this one. Alright, so final answer, then delta x going to be 0, then this part is going to be 0. That means only this portion going to be left over right there. 2x. That's it. So we learned that, okay, so the slope is y differential divided by x differential. So we call differentiation. So final result, so we call derivative, so which is dy over dx equals, also we can write this one like y apostrophe sign, then which is actually x squared differentiation for that one. Then we move this power to front, just like this. Then that power minus 1 is going to be 1. That's why final answer for this one, so we call derivative, which is 2x, is right there.